What's up? How are you doing? I heard you're ready to join me again for this amazing journey on drawing this graph and finding the intersection to find the best solution for our benchmark in Gaussian problem for the case where we have truthfulness but obedience is not a constraint, it's just assumed in our model. So bang, bang, bang. And last time means yesterday, we got stuck with the code over the LaTeX because of just one line missing. Thankfully that part is over. Now we want to add the, oh, you can also look at the graph right now, right? So we just want to add the line here and see the intersection. Now I'm wondering why the asymptote is in the negative part. What is the equation of the asymptote? Minus 2n minus 1 RT. That's it, right? Oh, it's 2 minus 1. Okay. What is R? Oh, okay. N is 5. 2 times 4, 8. R is 1 over 16. So that is negative. RT positive, sigma theta I positive. So it should be negative. Alright. It should be negative. Everything is fine. Let's check my notes and see. It is what I want. Gaussian and asymptotes. So yeah, when R and T are both positive, the asymptote should be in the negative part of the sigma AI theta. Alright, we are good. Let's see if we can add the plot of the line now that we are done with the curve. My ear aches, I don't know why. Well, I think the line is added, just the y-axis is so big that the line looks horizontal, because here on the x-axis I can see some purple color, which if you notice we draw the line in blue. Makes sense. Let's see if we can use the y-min y y-min we will say 0. Wait, why don't we have t over t? Okay, t is like small, so yeah, again y max I will say 10 at most. 5, I want to say 5. Should I put comma here? let's say, and let's ChatGPT, because if the compiler wants to run it for a long time, I prefer to check with ChatGPT first. We don't want the legends for now. Yeah, it seems the code must be fine. So let's recompile. Ah, fuck, what's wrong? So this is a floating point problem. LaTeX is funny. Pretend that you are Hercule Poirot. Oh, okay. Examine all clues and deduce the truth by order and method. No Hercule Poirot. We are going to use ChatGPT. Says the zero, the unreadable part was near. Let's ask ChatGPT. It gives error when we add y mean and y max. I apologize for the oversight. The error is likely due to the use of angle brackets. Okay, setting. Those angle brackets should be replaced with numerical values to define the meaning. Oh, okay. So I thought we should put the numbers there. Ah, I see. That's even easier for us now. Hercule Poirot, Hercule Poirot. Marpel. Detective Marpel. Let's see. Finger all crossed. Ah, got it. Okay. So 5 is not very good, even though it's just right the point of intersection. I say let's keep it. Yeah, let's keep 0, 0, but let's have this as 10 and check again. Now it looks good. I also like to draw the asymptote. Let's see. Can we draw the asymptote? And I also don't like the axes. I want my axes to cut each other at 0. Maybe it's just my taste. Maybe it's okay to be like that, to leave it like that. Okay, good job. Legends can be added later. What is wrong with this code? Dimension too large. What is the dimension? $761. What is the dimension? Yeah. Let's ask ChatGPT again. First of all, always be thankful. Thanks, it worked. Second, yeah, we don't hesitate to ask our next question. Okay, this is the code. It generates error. Let's copy and paste this part as well. Yeah, why not? Why not just copy and paste? Oh, the size of plot is too big. Sample, less samples. Actually, we don't need a lot of samples. Year 8, but we don't need a lot of samples because it's just a line, but we want to show that there is this intersection. Decrease sampling. Alright. So it's just, it's not a big issue. First of all, let's say minus 15 maybe. Up to 15. What do you say, guys? And here 15 minus 15 as well. Oh, okay, that's right. That looks better. I think that's the curve which looks better. Samples, it chooses the sample number itself. I don't want to make it I want to how to draw an asymptote. How to draw the asymptote. Is it the way to write it? It is not. ChatGPT, Grammarly, all of them are there to help you. But you also learn fucking asymptote next time. Just because they are there, it doesn't mean that you should not be learning asymptote. It's not as, it is asymptote. Asymptote. Alright, how to draw the asymptote for the first curve. Add vertical and horizontal dashed line. Dashed lines, I like dashed lines. Dude, what an understanding app it is that intersects with the curve at its symptotic points The asymptotes typically occur where the denominator of your function becomes 0. Can add to the first curve. So add main function here, which we have it. Add vertical. Well, I think he guessed it right actually. Okay, so ChatGPT couldn't say what is the exact amount for the asymptotes. We should do that part ourselves. But the graphics, they're all good. So let's also learn this, how to draw it like dashed for the case when we don't have ChatGPT access. Damn, we used to go search all of this stuff and we should read, and here is right away. The answer is here right away. That's so cool. I want to add it here. Draw. Oh, okay. So it is not add plot. It is draw dashed and what is this? Let's see what it does. Oh, actually, that's good. What about the horizontal one? It should be, horizontal one should be T, horizontal asymptote. Okay, draw dash, it is, what is it? Okay, actually guessed it right, I guess, right? It is 2n minus 1. The vertical one is 2n minus 1 r t sigma. Okay, so we have a parenthesis and we have another parenthesis. There is dash between them. First one is a, what is this curly brace? So we have a curly brace, but so we have a pair which is y0 and its x is 2n minus 1 r minus 1, I don't get this minus 1, times d time over d sigma theta squared d 2 n minus 1 RTD. Well, that's okay. It should be in the denominator. This ratio should be in the denominator though. And okay, I guess it is like that. When you want to draw a line, you can say okay, draw, and the dash comes with 2 dash character, and you give 2 lines of that, 2 points of that line, right? So here we have the same x amount, but their y, one is 0, one is 10. So it will be a vertical line. One is this point, one is this point, but we need to make sure that the x amount is correct though, and I'm not sure if it is. 2n minus 1 r, I don't like the minus 1 here. Let's say t, what is t? Is t? Yep. d, right, over 2n minus 1 r, okay, it should not be td now, 2n minus 1 r, okay, here we have another parenthesis, 2n minus 1 minus 1, oh, r minus 1, right? That's it. There is no TD or anything. That should be it. Control C. I know you may say you could do Control V right away, but I like to delete it first and then Control V. Let's see what happens now. It looks better, it looks more symmetric. About the horizontal line, so it starts from x is minus 10. What is the y? Okay, it got t. Okay, it got the y amount wrong, that's why. It should be t over 2. That's it. And 10, but do you think the line will go after 10 and minus 10, or it will be a line intersection? Like, what is it called? Line interval, line section, not intersection. I guess it will be a line section, but let's stay positive. Yep, see, I told you. So we make it minus 15 and 15. And now I like to draw the axes also at 0 and 0. Yep, I feel that's better look. Even though it is completely fine already, that's it. It looks fine, to be honest. How can I do it? We don't need to search and read different web pages. Just solution is right away. How can I center x and y axis? Is it like this? Oh my god, my ear is killing me. Sorry guys. You can use the axis equal option within the axis environment. This option ensures that both axes have the same unit lengths and are centered within them. Here how we can modify. Begin axis, center. Oh, and then axis equal. Okay, we don't want to make sure equal units, but it is also nice to have it. Do 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 papers. Okay, here it was left, we can say center. That's it, that was easy. Axis, lines, center. Uh, you know, asymptotes do not look very good. Still, I like it though. And I think if we say equal units, that won't be a nice view. Well, it is nicer actually, I like it more. I like this more, but I think it's not very readable. That's not readable. The asymptotes are close to the axes and axes or axes. Is it axes or axes? Axes. All right. I think it's just, I leave it to the taste. Not a big deal. I like this photo better, however. Now that we are drawing it, maybe we also want to draw the vertical from -5 to 15, whatever. That looks better. So I plotted this. I should not look at the phone. Fuck that. I don't want. Now I'm all distracted. Fuck that. Okay. Let's get back to the work. Let's plot the other one also here. What was our title here? We want to add caption. The other one is easy. The other one which we have T positive R negative. It shouldn't be that difficult. Let's add caption for this. And add it, and then once it is up to a level which is good enough, we will go for T positive R negative in a second, and after that it will be editing the whole benchmark. All right. Yeah, we want to add. Yeah. The point in this benchmark is that because usually in all benchmarks we used to compare correlation coefficient or sigma of the Gaussian variables. Now since we have different means, and the means are different because we removed obedience, so the means are not pinned. Means will take their own value, and as we had a talk with Thibaut said it doesn't really make sense to compare two Gaussian once their means are different. You want to, if their means are same, well, yes, let's compare the sigma. But now I have the question, why are we comparing sigma first best with the sigma of Are we comparing it? I don't think we are comparing it. Dude, we had so many benchmarks. I'm not sure what I'm saying. So, if here we are not comparing sigmas and we only value means, comparing means, which we can, we should not also compare means of first best. Sigma of first best with the sigma, for example, main problem. All right. Okay, let's add the legends. So stand straight, guys. Stand straight. PhD is a lot of work behind the desk, so do not do this. Even if I had a desk that you can stand and work, that would be a nice environment. Actually, in MIT, inside on campus, in the office, we have those kind of desks, which is very nice. Oh, what the fuck? What's wrong? Dimension too large. That was not a problem before. Missing dollar sign inserted. Let's do... No, not this. Alright, let's go see what's wrong with this group. Okay, let's first. What happened? Guys, find the gymbro. Honestly, whenever you work out with a gymbro, much more efficient, time efficient. I did my workout last night with Sam on chest, and we finished the workout like in 45 minutes. But dude, we did drop sets, and you push harder, you will go really harder. Your gymbro pushes you more. It's good. And now my chest is like fucking tight. Okay, what's wrong with you? Let's first remove this commented part and see if this part doesn't have any problem, even though I believe it is just the line. This if you leave this part line empty, I think it causes problem. See, look at this. Not yet. What about this? Isn't it weird? So if I comment this part out, by the way, I like to add more indentation here. Let's see how it works. Okay, so here we have problem with our legend. It's interesting because usually LaTeX is not an asshole. It will publish as much as it can. I expected LaTeX to just compile the file and just do not put the second legend. Let's go put it in ChatGPT. I want to so it's doing the same thing. What's wrong with me? Doesn't even. Relax. What is relax? Okay, missing $sign inserted. 767. When did we have this? No. Okay. Do you think Google will be removed? This is the error. Okay, so in math mode, we should add the math mode. Alright. Did we do the same in the first one? Okay, it's here. I got it. Here. We don't have this here. Alright. Good, we learned. Or we could add $sign, right? Nice. want to say, how can I put the legend on the right hand side of the graph? Placing it. Legend pose. Okay. Outer northeast. Well, I just want east. Damn, I'm so happy OpenAI exists. Even now it's taking time, to be honest, but come on. Oh, that's good. I want to have the shape in the best. So once Thibaut has his comments, like, we are not wasting time on the stuff that I could say. Okay, if you look at this graph already, you can see that these legends are over each other. I don't want that. Well, why should we waste my time, Thibaut's time, to comment on this? It's obvious. The legend formulas are big, so I need more space to separate them. Separate them. To understand. Oh, okay, legend style. All right. Dude, I love it. I don't know if you understand how good it is. Just, I can take 2 PhDs, honestly. This is not good. A legend pose, it should be outer northeast. I love that. Legend style, legend cell, align left. Legend columns 2. I don't want columns be 2. I just want 1. Let's see that. Let's talk to this motherfucker. I don't like the column style for the legend. Instead, let's have 2 rows, and I need more space between the rows, and I want a bigger box for the legend. Dude, look at this answer. I understand your requirements. To have 2 rows in the legend increases. Legend style. Line left, legend columns 1. Oh, legend columns -1. Interesting. Who could think about it? all these years in physics they told us there is no negative number. You motherfuckers, come see how negative numbers work. Legend cell align left. Legend columns automatically determine the number of columns. Legend style draw none, fill none, row separation. Oh, row separation is the one that creates a space between the legend. So let's see what this brings us. Okay, I want my legend column 1. Fuck -1. Oh, that's nice. Maybe even 12 points. We can have the box. I just want a bigger box. Let's see. Now I think like the second line is not as readable as I wanted. Well, it's not as readable here too. So that's not a big deal. Maybe even 14. And I want to have the box. I want to have the box. Wait, what happened? Okay, nothing bad happened. Just give me the box. Draw none? No. That is not none. I think this. So this is the problem. The box is not big enough. That's my problem. I want to keep the box. I just want it to be bigger. Draw none, fill white. White background. So draw should be none all the time. Option keeps the legend box and what are what inputs can the draw option take? Draw color. Oh, 1 centimeter. Arrow style. Line width. Let's do the white thing that it says. Legend. Style. Legend style. It was. Well, dude. Okay, I think it keeps. Alright, what should I tell them? I want to have the box border. How can I do that? Oh, okay, maybe it is the line now. How can I have the boundary of the box frame of a box around the part of no. I meant drawing the boundary for the legend box. Alright. Legend style, legend cell align, legend style, draw blue thick. Alright, that's good. Let's do that. Where is the legend style? Damn. I didn't. Okay, motherfucker. First of all, black it should be. Black and thick. Not really thick. Not thick. I don't want it thick. Oh, it removed fill white though. Black and white. Let's see how it works. Ah, it didn't make any change. Disgusting. Okay. I want a bigger frame for my legend. Inner sip. Okay. Ooh, that's a big shed. Draw, I still like black. Thick, I don't want thick. That's it. The space between content and the frame. Feel. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's see how it goes. What? What is wrong? 7:55. Oh, okay. What? Let's see what it. Dude, I said it's done. It's over. Well, it is done. It is over. It is the legend style. And row should not be here. Row should be with pose, right? And this one, wait, why is this? That's fucked up. What is this? Oh, we have two legend styles now. Okay. Oh, fuck, what is which one? So they should be all in the legend style. What is this one then? How many legend style do we have? Alright. Nope, we don't want you. That's the art of copy and paste. After ChatGPT, now all of our focus should be on how to copy and paste well. So legend style, cell align left, I want it. Legend columns 1, I want it. Legend cell align left, well, it is second time, I don't want it. Remove, keep your code readable. Legend columns -1, I don't want it. Well, you see, we are still in legend style, so everything should be fine. Do not panic, guys. Let me remove this indentation here. Ah, fuck, that sucks. Alright. Draw black. Inner space separation 10 points. Let's have it and see how it works. Let's keep the fill none. Row separation 14. What is this one? So what is this one? This one is redundant. No, this is redundant. Or wait a second. Row separation should be outside. Let's keep it outside and see if it works. What the fuck is wrong with you? I feel the row separation should. Okay, what is its matching pair? We have nothing. So I think that's stupid. We did it, guys. Thanks for watching. I think it's enough for now. We draw our graph. Drew our graph. We drew our graph. And drew. I think we are done with the graph. Next time we will come, we will copy similar manner, draw the next graph. Oh, we want to add caption. We want to add caption to the current graph, right? We want to add caption, say what are the parameters are. Then we draw another graph pretty much similar to it, different signs for parameters, and then we will go over the text and we will edit it. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. A